All right, so any application we develop in the lower environment, it's all good to go. It's like us means that as a development team. And we're fixing the bug, we break it because it's our environment. There is no responsibility for the production. But what happens when an application goes live in production? All the restrictions start implementing because you cannot touch anything you want. You cannot touch the database. You cannot, as a developer, you have no access permission on the production. As a quality assurance, you do not have any access permission in the production. If you have very limited, very, very limited, means you are only the, say an example in TS40 operation, our every team member has a different access permission. I do not want the developer start changing your payment information. Is it good experience? Right? I do not want the mentor start deleting everybody's work. Is it good? Not good. They can do whatever they want in the lower environment because we are in the testing. But in the production, things are different. So that's we strictly control through the role base. In every application, we have a role base. In this role base, you have a specific permission you can do. That's it. In the production, it's the technically when we roll out in the production, two teams manage the production very well. One is the business operation team. They use the application day to day to serve the customer. And the technology side is called the IT operation. They actually in between the DevOps and the business. Why is this? So IT operation, they have the access permission of the server. I mean start the server, stop the server, or that they can see on their monitoring teams. So IT operation, I can explain different way. IT operation in every company, they have a large room. In this room, they have a 50 or 30, 40 big computer screen. In this screen, they can see every application production behavior. Production behavior means if this application is performing well or not, if there any issue has been created or not, if the server is down or not, if server is slow or not. It's called the operation team, it's called the monitoring team. So actually really a large room, all the big TV is there, all the operation is running. The operation means the application is running. You can see the application performance, everything you can see. And that's the IT operation team. Cloud Ops development team member, they are not the part of the IT operation team. It's called the support engineering team, either desktop support engineer or system support engineer or cloud support engineer. Anything is called the support engineering team. So they actually see what is going on. If the issues is major, critical, they actually engage the DevOps team, the cloud ops team. They say, hey, there is some issues because they do not have the access permission to go to all the servers to look into this. That's the way the cloud ops start involving. Cloud ops look through their issues. If it is not in their area, and they find out, wow, yesterday we just pushed some code. It seems like we did not have these issues until yesterday. So they start involving the development team. Hey, we have the issues in the production, and this is the issue. Probably we pushed some code yesterday that caused the issues. So that's actually the hierarchy works. Business operation, the people who is using the application. IT operation, they can see monitoring and they have some basic access permission. And then your DevOps team. And then finally, development team. See, we're not even exposing us. Development team, they do not expose themselves. They do not go into everybody's business. Aisha, did I answer the question?
Yes, and there's another question. What is the full form for Git? And is there any substitute software that the company uses instead of Git?
Yeah, sure. Good question. So the Git is developed by the Linus Torvalds, the guy who built the Linux kernel. Okay. Git is an open source, means Git actual code is free. Okay. Actual Git code is free. So now the question is there any substitute of the Git? Oh yeah, there is. Amazon has their own Git. GitHub is a company. GitLab is a company. Bitbucket is a company. There is 100 of company. They have a code repository software. But under the hood, they all use the free Git code. So they take the free Git code and they build their version and they're selling it to the market. Did I answer your question? But all the Git, the work is the same because the code is open and but the company, they take it and they just add the functionality based on what they want. And go ahead.
There's a curious part